Congratulations on your purchase of our hydrogen bath spa here with Healthy Hydration. My name is Amanda and I'm going to walk you through how to hook up your new system here. So if you don't already know, hydrogen for your skin is known as an antioxidant and helps make collagen. And who this system is going to be great for is anyone with inflammation, whether it be skin issues, you have eczema, you have psoriasis, you have acne, any skin issues, or internally with inflammation or any health issue. Hydrogen is great. It can go right through the skin. It's actually more powerful going through the skin, believe it or not, than drinking it. But the more applications you can use, the better it's going to be for your body. So this is our bath spa here, and it's going to come with the unit itself. And up top here is where we're going to add distilled water. So this is going to act as an inhalation unit. If you're familiar with that process, you have a PEM membrane in here, which has got that 99.9% pure platinum in there. We're just going to add distilled water here in a bit, and this is where it will go, is in this little port. And then it's going to come with the, I'm going to call it the wands. And so it's got two. These are both going to go into the water, so it's going to come with two, one and two. And then we do have some extra pieces here, and this is going to be a part to help you install. And then of course you have the manual. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and start with hooking up the main system here. So you're going to go ahead and unscrew these, and you might need to use your tool that comes with it if they're not easy for you to get undone. And then we're going to take our system here, and this is going to eventually go here. And it does take about 10 to 12 minutes to get the concentration of about 2 to 3 parts per million per liter. So, or 2,000 to 3,000 ppbs, parts per billion. So it's a very high production, especially in the bath. So you want to tighten as much as you can, and then the tool that comes with it here you can use as well. It'll just assist you to tighten it up even more. And then you have your other side over here. It's very simple. You do want to make sure that the ring, it fell off in transport, so just make sure that is on there, otherwise it will leak. So just make sure it's on both sides. And voila, it's very simple there. Okay. Now the next part is I'm going to take you around back, show you the back port here, where we have our, this will come apart, so your cord is just going to go into the back. And then this is your fuse. You're not going to have to do anything with it. And then this is our on-off switch. And then you do have to drain. So we're going to drain the distilled water. We'll have another video to show you to do that. Now this came damaged in shipping, actually. That's why it's here, but there was some extra that came. So these are just quick connect pins, and you push in to push out. That's how these work. But this is your oxygen bin. It's always left open. Your drainage hole here, and then another drainage hole here. So then this is going to get plugged in. We will go ahead and do that now. Okay. Go ahead and turn it on, and then you do want to make sure you're using distilled water. And this is just used to make hydrogen. So this, once a month, you want to change out the distilled, and you'll drain it out the back and put new distilled water in. There does come a little sachet in here. That's normal. Just keep it in there. There's already water in here. That's why it's wet. And it is tested beforehand, before you receive it. So if it's a little wet, it's normal. Okay, and you're just going to put the distilled water in here, about 1 liter or so. I've already got some in there because I was already using it, so that's why we don't use as much. But it's going to go right there, and then just like that, voila. Now for the front, what we want to do first is we want to fill up the bathtub. So make sure you fill the bathtub up. You can use really hot water. And then when it's all done, that's when you're going to go ahead and turn on the unit. And you don't want any soap or anything else in the water that you're going to be bathing in, because you really want the maximum absorption rate that you're going to get. So we'll show you here in just a minute with the bathtub all full and it making its hydrogen, and then we'll show you how the front panel works. We are now ready to start our hydrogen bath system here with Healthy Hydration. So we've got both of our wands in the water, and we're just going to go ahead and adjust the time. We have negative or positive. It goes up to 45. We're going to start at the 30 minutes there. Actually, it even goes up to more. We got 60 minutes. So we're going to just do 30 minutes here, and go ahead and push that start button. You'll hear it start to make that hydrogen gas. So if you don't already know, hydrogen is known as an antioxidant. That means it helps overcome oxidative stress and inflammation, which is linked to nearly every single disease process. So who this is good for is everyone, because we're all exposed to oxidative stress, but specifically skin issues. So if you've got eczema or psoriasis, acne, blisters, burns, cuts, scrapes, wounds, it's going to help lower inflammation. So that's what it's good for. Then it's going to go into your lymphatic system, and then it's going to circulate through your body. So your skin is like a sponge and it absorbs that hydrogen so tiny it can go right through the skin. So it's good for liver issues and kidney issues. So any itises, arthritis, bursitis, tendinitis, colitis, it's great for that too. Brain health, cognitive function, stimulates the brain to produce more brain cells to be really high alert and functioning well. So I hope you enjoy it. Just soak there at least 15 minutes and you're going to be noticing a huge benefit in your body.